Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play the beautiful and iconic Carol of the Bells on the piano. This piece is famous for its repeating four-note melody, called an ostinato, which creates a bell-like effect. To begin, position your right hand in G minor, placing your thumb on the G note just above middle C. The initial notes are B flat, A, B flat, and G, using your third, second, third, and first fingers respectively. Let's get started. The right hand carries the instantly recognizable main theme, which is a simple four-note pattern that repeats throughout much of the piece. It is crucial to maintain a steady and even rhythm for this pattern, often thought of as ta, tai, ta. Focus on practicing this right hand part until it feels very comfortable and consistent. Building this strong foundation will make integrating the left hand much smoother later on. Now, let's explore the left hand accompaniment, which provides depth and harmony to the right hand melody. Initially, the left hand often plays single notes, stepping downwards in a walking pattern to support the main theme. As the piece progresses, you can add a note a third below to create a richer, fuller sound. For a more powerful and majestic feeling, some arrangements incorporate octaves in the left hand, especially towards the end of the piece. Bringing both hands together requires patience and focused practice. First, ensure each hand's part is comfortable and fluid independently. Then, combine them slowly, counting out loud to help synchronize your movements. Remember to pay attention to dynamics, play the repeating ostinato softer, and emphasize the main melodic themes with a louder touch. With consistent practice, you will soon be playing this beautiful and festive piece with confidence and expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.